provide hours of outdoor excitement and enjoyment, but making sure you maintain them properly, well, sometimes that's not so fun. But with the right products, you can be all clear in no time. At HTH, we're all about keeping things clear. So today, I'm checking in on the McDonald family to see how they are maintaining their pool. Hi, Greg, how are you? Beautiful pool, how's it holding up this season?
It's been great, but I want to learn how to balance and test my water so my family can go in and not worry about it.
Well, you're right on track. Testing your water twice a week helps keep your water clear and safe. HTH offers two great options: our Pool Care 6-way test strips and our Pool Care 6-way test kit. The strips are super simple, especially with the HTH Test to Swim app, where you can check your results. Both check essential levels, but the test strips are super simple and give you results quickly. So shall we dive in?
Let's do it.
Step 1, always make sure your pump is running. We want the water to be circulating to get accurate results. Next, step 2, dip the test strip wrist deep into the water, and then you're gonna hold it for about 2 seconds. Then you're gonna take it out, hold it steady, but no shaking, and then you're gonna hold it for about 20 seconds.
That's easy enough. What's next?
Now, step 3, check your results. You have 3 options to choose from. You can visually match the colors on the strip to the chart on the bottle. The second way is to snap a picture and text it to HTH123, or you can download the HTH Test to Swim app. With this app, you will take a picture of the strip, and in seconds, you're gonna get results and even product recommendations.
Wow, that's amazing. What am I looking for in the result?
Great question. You'll wanna keep these levels in check: free available chlorine, pH levels, and total alkalinity. Our app also provides personalized weather alerts so you can stay on top of changing weather to keep your pool clean and never miss a maintenance task.
Wow, I never realized how quick and straightforward that is. That's a great tip.
Anytime. At HTH, our mission is to make pool care easy so you can spend less time worrying and more time enjoying your pool.